Hey everyone, it's Liz here from Grow HVAC Agency, and I'm so excited to share this video with you. This is a case study of one of our clients, and I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process of how we turned $47,000 from Mike's monthly losses into $41,000 in new revenue. So let's get into it. But before we do, in case you're wondering who we are Grow HVAC Agency and implement strategies that build authority, outshine your competitors, and attract 35% new clients minimum each year. And we are experts in transforming your business online presence that attracts new clients, automate appointments to your calendar. And we've been just doing this for a really long time, so we know exactly what works, what doesn't, and buyer's journey, all of that stuff. So let's get let's talk about Mike. Let's not talk about us. Now, with Mike, he had a great reputation, great business, but he was hemorrhaging money at $47,000 a month in emergency calls that he was losing to his competitors. And now he's adding $41,000 per month. And so before, this was all the statistics, and then this is after he started working with us. This is in the first month. And so what we discovered when we started to work with him, we always do an audit first. And so we saw that he had lots of things against him, not really understanding, our marketing eye. So like we've been doing this for a while. So I have a marketing eye, and we can see things that just immediately, things about like above the fold and things about like triggering emotional content that triggers a nerve, urgency, forms, all this kind of stuff. So we look immediately for websites and see what's lacking, where the trust building is, all this kind of stuff. So we saw that like he didn't have any of this. And so then what we decided to do is to use our signature funnel. So really start to build authority first, because with customer journeys, especially with the HVAC industry, they're first looking for reviews. Like they want to see all these reviews before they even consider working with you. So that's just like it's just a very like low common denominator looking. They need to look at reviews first, and then they'll decide to work with. So we have to really make sure that this is all shiny and you look amazing before you even start to do the Google ads, because otherwise you'll just lose money if you don't have this in place. So we make sure to have this all ready and that you look like the king of the HVAC in your industry, in your city. Then we go in with the Google ads. So how we do this, we go out to your past clients, we ask for a request for a 5-star review, and then we just do this. So then we ask them, just upload your clientele into our database, and then this is what it looks like essentially. So we share our database with our CRM with our clients, and so they can look at it anytime they want, and they can log into this dashboard, and they can see all the reviews that they receive from our work of reaching out to your clients. The next thing we do is then we created a landing page for you guys. And so this is the one we did for Mike. And this one reduced the load times from 4 seconds to 1 second, and redesigned it for mobile. We emphasize the trust. And so we put in like also something very, very specific for emergency HVAC response team. And instead of just something very generic like HVAC, so because for every single service we created a new landing page for it, because it is so important, because we need to we know that it converts a lot higher when we have a landing page for it. And even when you're doing the leads for the local service ads, and you're just doing calls, you're doing phone calls, you still need to have a really great landing page as well. Because they're going to check on your website, they're going to check not only your reviews, but also like the landing pages as well. So you want to always make sure that this looks beautiful, because you want to show professionalism and warmth and everything that you possibly do. So when we first look at, when we test out and we do an audit for our landing pages or for anybody, like when we first take on a client, we first want to see like what exactly we do a first impression test. So when somebody lands here from a Google ad, do they immediately know what your offer is and why they should call you? So if they don't, that's where we need to like come in and, rearrange your landing page and show immediately, how to really speak to your audience, how to trigger a nerve, how to get them to want to work with you, how to intrigue them. And so what we need to show is like the nothing too generic. So nothing like welcome to ABC HVAC. You also have to show like benefit driven headlines like 24/7 emergency HVAC repair, 60-minute response time. And also you want to ask yourself, is the offer clear within 3 seconds? Does the headline address a specific problem? So that's where landing pages and websites are different, where whenever you do an ad, you always want to have a landing page because that's the only time you can actually address a specific problem. Whereas an HVAC website, it's not a specific problem. It's usually just all over general. You offer so many different services that it's hard to just speak to that specific audience that has a specific urgency about a specific service. You know what I mean? I hope that makes sense. So let's get into what we did with Mike before your eyes glaze over. Let's jump into this. So this is what we did with, this is exactly what we created. This is what we create with our team. So we have this going on. We got, this is exactly what we implement, and then we show this to Mike. This is our strategy. These are what we're expected calls per lead, total performance, all of this. Search ads, this is exactly what we created for search ads. And then again, this is like our template for him, and then he proves it, then we put it into practice. And so these are the display ads, and then what these look like, headlines, the listing copy, and then this is what we give to our team as well so they can make sure to implement this. So putting in the reviews for #1 ranking factor, these are our goals. So we try to position this beforehand, before we even do the ads. So we have the goals to have 200 plus reviews before we even put these into motion. And then he asked for a social media strategy. So we also implemented this. And so these are going to go on the same time as the ads. So this is more for branding and awareness. And then these are all for getting clients immediately. So these are the keywords we came up with: exact match, phrase match, broad match, keyword strategies. And then this is all based on a lot of research we did. Just tons of, unbelievable amount of research we do for these. And even though it's like, we work with a whole bunch of HVAC companies all over the United States and all over the world, we still need to do a lot of research because each city is different and each service is different, and each client we have has a different unique value proposition. So this is our summary. This is what it all looks like. And then this is what we all implement. Then getting into the nitty gritty, this is what we actually look, when we work with our team, we also share with this our client, and then we implement all of this, and then just copy and paste this into the Google ads. Essentially, this is our process. So the next step is once the ads go live, goes to the landing page, or also goes to the call. So if it goes to the landing page, it goes to a form, then we have to make sure that the speed to lead is in place. So what I mean by speed to lead is like a lot of stuff happens in the background of like in the process of like the when they implement all of this. The form is submitted, then it immediately goes to an email or an SMS received. So all the automation is so important. And a lot of agencies don't do this for some reason, and they're just missing out on a lot of leads. It's just all these lost leads that they can be, that they shouldn't be lost. Like we catch them essentially with this. So then once this form is submitted, then it goes to the email or SMS received. We'll call you back in 15 minutes. Then a real technician calls them. If there's no response from the caller, then we'll either, we have this all triggered in our CRM as well. So in case you're wondering, so if no response from a caller, then we'll have our email and or SMS sequence, continue to reach out for them. Connection rate is 72% and the appointment rates are 52%. So this is what it was like before, because Mike didn't have this implemented, this system, but after working with us, he does. So now he has a lot more conversions and connections. So let's get into the next page. Now, fundamentals we have created for him: speed to lead, 15-minute response system, and not, we customize everyone for different strategies and understanding like their buyer's journey. So sometimes we'll put in like a voicemail automation. Sometimes we'll put in something, an SMS text that goes to a calendar or something. So just depending on the client and depending on the strategies and where they are already, we'll customize it specifically for each person. So in his case, we put in the 15-minute response system that I just showed you, the automation and the 3 times more conversions from the same leads. So we're able to catch them essentially, because if you ever research speed to lead, you'll see that if you don't respond back to a customer within 5 minutes, they will move on to somebody else. They are very fickle that way. So trust, this is where we increased his 5-star reviews. We added more certifications that were just kind of hiding. So we really just really magnified those and amplified them in all of the marketing. Created instant phone access into the Google profile and optimized that as well. Customers chose him because we really just we positioned him differently than before, and we really just made him outshine his competitors. His rankings were now higher because he got more reviews and just better visibility. So we did all this, and then 2 times more qualified visibility. So this is the monthly ad spend results: $41,000 a monthly increase, and 800 and I can't even say it because it's so high. 850% in the first 90 days. So I hope you see how we were able to implement that. And if you want a strategy like this, if you want us to audit this, we can do it for free. We like doing these types of things. We're kind of geeky like that. So if this is you and you're doing Google ads, or your visitors are leaving without buying, poor conversions, high ad spend, low returns, then you might want to check out our free audit. And so let me tell you what you get. This is our lead generation audit. So you just put in the information here. You can roast the site, and we love doing these, and we love giving back to our community. So these are what we fix: keyword suggestions, recorded Zooms with templates, and then here's one of the templates we use. I know this is really it's gonna hurt your eyes, but we'll give this to you. We'll go over some of these, not all of them, because I know it's gonna it's just a lot of information, but it is important. It's really, really important. So this is how, so we're going to hold your hand through a lot of this so that it's not as boring as it looks. So moving back to here, we'll go through all of this, and we'll look through all of everything that everything that we can see from your online presence. And you could tell us what's not working, what you want specifically, how many leads you want, how many, what your goal is. And then we'll ask you some questions, and then we'll show you the strategy of how we can, implement, how you can get to your goals with specific steps that we recommend. So this is the conversion optimization plan. And so we'll also show you how to generate more installs, service calls in the next 30 days. So we have we're experts in this, and so we this is just something that we've been doing for a very long time. So we know exactly what to look for in your marketing, and how and because we have a really high success rate with our clients, we know exactly how from where they started to where, and now they're at 7 figures. And so we can share with you the same strategy. So we'll do an audit of your current marketing and how we can potentially fill the gaps and show you the same process of how we're helping our clients move from 6 to 7 figures. So if your ads aren't converting to appointments right now and you're probably leaving like $10,000 or more on the table from specific jobs, and they're probably going to your competitors. I'm going to share with you in the audit exactly how you can change that. So if this is something that interests you, do book an audit with us, and you can check it out in a link is it right? Where did it go? Right here. Put it in here, and we'll be happy to check out your site, and we'll be talking to you soon. Okay, thanks so much, and thanks. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Okay, bye guys.